Hi guys, so welcome back to our channel. We know we've been gone for quite some time. I think this is the longest we've ever been gone on our channel in our 12-13 year YouTube careers. So yeah, this is kind of weird. It's been like what, 2 months? Like about 2 months. It feels longer than that. I think it's been a little over 2 months. Okay, a little over 2 months. We know we've been MIA. We didn't want to abandon you guys, so that's why we're making this video to let you know what we've been up to and why we've been gone for the past couple months. But Kendra and I have reinstated our cosmetology licenses. So if some of you didn't know, Kendra and I are licensed cosmetologists. We graduated from Aveda Institute in 2013. And right after we graduated, we went right into doing YouTube full-time. And we never got a chance to work full-time in a salon. So even though we're educated in hair, we have not been active until recently. We both just got hired at 2 separate salons. We've been at our salons for about a month now, and we're officially hairstylists. Yeah, so it's kind of crazy to say that out loud because we originally moved to Georgia over 10 years ago to do hair. That's why we went to school for this. But YouTube had other plans, and we're so grateful for the YouTube career that we've had over the past decade. And like all of the information and tips and tricks we've been able to share with you guys over these past few years and the community that we built. We're so grateful for you guys. But this is like a new journey for us where we get to still interact with you guys just in a more personal, hands-on way. And we get to actually tell you guys what's best for your hair and have one-on-one consultations. Like I think that's what I'm more excited about, to actually like look and feel and see you guys' hair and for you guys to tell us your concerns about your hair and goals that you may have for your like own personal hair journeys. So I just think it's like a level up because we can only give so much advice like if we can't like see you. We can just give like, I would say, a standard like basic general advice like of healthy hair tips and stuff like that. And us doing hair again, or doing hair as a career now. I was gonna say, because we've been doing hair technically. Technically we've still been doing like friends and family's hair for the past few years. So technically we've always been still doing hair and like educating ourselves about products. But I still feel like it's different doing like clients' hair, like in a salon. And us being hands-on with you guys, we can give you like a custom, you know, consultation and whatever your goals are. Like Kelsey said, we can deliver that for you, especially if you come see each of us over time. Like however often you would like to come see us. Like I mentioned, we are at 2 separate salons. I'm going to be working at, or I'm working at currently, Michele Coulter Salon in Milton, Georgia. I've been there for about a month and I really love it. Kelsey's at Odd Salon in Alpharetta, and it's really nice. We both have been inside each other's places of work, and they fit both of us really well. I think so too. I would say Odd is like a more like boho chic vibe. It's kind of spa-like, very relaxing in there. I love it. I just love the environment that I'm in, and it's very peaceful. I can do my clients in a very peaceful environment, a luxurious environment as well. So when I was looking for a salon that I wanted to work at, I wanted to make sure that us as Black people would have a nice luxurious experience. I didn't want to just go work in a shop, if you know what I mean. I feel like we both were seeking out to work at luxury salons. That's also what I love about Michele Coulter. It's a little bit more glam. Like it's glam, it's modern. It's a really nice, fresh, luxurious environment. You feel like you're gonna get like the best service, the best customer service, and the atmosphere is really nice. Like I love like the open space, the windows. It just feels really nice getting your hair done there. I like the products that they offer there. And I love that I get to build my clientele there. I love my boss there as well. Michele is fantastic. I love the area that it's in. So anybody who lives in the Georgia area, it's a really great area. Parking's not crazy. You can always find parking, and I just love it. That's also what I was looking at when I was looking at the salon too. I wanted to make sure parking was super easy and convenient for you guys. Ours is right in front of the salon. Because I know in Georgia, especially in Midtown, like if you go to salons, Midtown, Buckhead, parking is not always the best, so that's why we were intentional about that too. One of the salons that I kind of wanted to work at, I actually like took them off my list when I found out like their parking was like kind of a hot mess. I was like, you know what, that will deter you. Because me personally, like if the parking is not easy, it like makes me not want to go back. I remember a few months ago, like I was trying to book to get a facial with an esthetician that was really popular in Georgia, and she had like really good reviews. And then when I typed in like to go make an appointment, her location, and it had like this paragraph explaining the way the parking works, and I immediately canceled my appointment. That's how important parking is for us. Yes, absolutely. We wanted to make sure it was nice and convenient and easy for you guys. Yes. To just park, walk through the door, and check in, and we start your appointment. Yes. So yeah, we both have great parking at our salons. And with my salon, I love that I'm able to create my own schedule, and it's just super convenient for me, and I love it. And I was able to also add things to my own menu, something like as personal as like custom curly cuts, because I know all salons don't offer that. So I wanted to make sure I put that on my actual menu, as well as silk press and haircut. I know some salons only offer silk press and haircut separate, but I just wanted to offer it in a bundle, because usually when I had clients come in for a silk press, they usually need a haircut. So you will get a silk press and haircut with me. And then for my custom curly cut clients, I do include a deep conditioning treatment, so I will customize it according to what I feel like your hair needs in the moment. So I've been loving that as well. So it's just been really nice, like re-educating ourselves like the past few months, and like relearning and learning new techniques, like basically adding it like to what we already have learned over the past 10 years. But it's been a nice refresher. Yeah, it has been a nice refresher. And also like, learning new things too. And learning new things. And like with me with color, like it's just so many like new formulations these days, and I feel like they're easier compared to what we learned at Aveda. Yes. Like it's way more simplified now. It was more complex back then. Yes, it really was. Formulating color. But specifically, Kelsey will be also doing color. I'm just going to be doing haircuts and styling. Yes. So I will be doing curly cuts, regular haircuts, trims. We will link our hair pages on Instagram down below, and both of our menus are on our hair pages if you guys are curious to see exactly what we offer. Yes. So I won't be doing color. I will strictly only be doing haircuts and styling, whether that's a curly cut, a trim. I'm going to be doing bobs, because I found that I really love doing bobs, layered bobs, like the really pretty 90s classic bobs. Yeah, that's kind of like becoming her niche. Yes. I just recently did one the other day, actually yesterday, and my client really loved it. So I feel like I'm going to be really good at bobs, classic bobs, and also long round layers. If you guys just want like a new fresh look that's bouncy and healthy, I can give you that. So cuts are going to be my niche. Color is not what I enjoy doing. I know how, but I just don't like it. Maybe I'll change my mind one day, but currently that's what I'm going to be specializing in. Yeah, so like Kendra said, I'm also going to be offering, well, I also am offering custom color. I love color. It's just a skill that I mastered at Aveda, and I've just been learning about new color lines. At our salon, we do use red Kim color, which I actually really love because it's a very simple formulation process. If you guys want a custom color, because I've been dying to do some fall colors. So if you want like a nice fall color transformation, book online. Booking online is way easier. Yeah, for both of our salons. Yes. But I've just been dying to do like fall color on clients, because I've been like seeing it all over my Instagram, and I'm obsessed with like the chocolate cherry hair color, those are pretty, the like mahogany chestnut. I've been obsessed with chocolate hair color. Like I just love the warm tones. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We just wanted to give you guys a quick update on our lives and what we're doing currently career wise, and that's why we haven't been making videos. If you're curious to know if we're going to be making content again, not anytime soon, because we're just trying to get used to working in salons and getting into a routine, our new schedules. So never say never. We're not saying we're never going to make videos again, just not right now. Yeah, we just need some time away from YouTube. Yes, like we said at the beginning of this video, we've been doing YouTube for over 12 years, almost 13 years pretty much, and that's a long time to be doing one job. Yes. And we're just grateful for all the opportunities and brands we've gotten to work with over the past few years. Like any brand you can think of, we've worked with, and God has been so good to us and gave us so much favor. Yes. So we're so grateful for all the opportunities and you guys. So we'll have links to both of our salons that we're going to be working at down below in the description box, MicheleCoulterSalon.com and then OddSalon.com for you guys to book with us. Again, like I said, it's way easier for both of us for you to book online with us, because that way we both know exactly when you're going to be on our schedules, and we can prepare for whatever you're going to be getting done. So, or you can call for mine too, because I can see it either way if you book online or if you call. Yeah, we have call/text as well, but most of my clients have been just booking online, and I just get a text directly to my phone when you guys do book online, versus when you call or text. But calling and texting is fine as well, whatever you prefer. We just wanted to make sure it was very simple and easy for you guys to book with us. And also don't forget to follow our new hair pages. Those also will be in the description box. So make sure you guys follow our new hair pages on Instagram, KendraMurrellHair and KelseyMurrellHair. So yeah, that's our update, and we hope to see you guys in our chairs sooner than later. Yeah, I'm really excited for this new journey. It's been a lot of changes for us lately, but we're super optimistic about the future. We're so blessed and grateful to be doing this, and we can't wait to see you guys. So that wraps up this video, and we'll see you guys in our chairs.